Teens and exercise. The surprising benefits. Everybody knows it's hard to be a teen. Suddenly you're faced with all kinds of new problems. Rapidly changing moods, a spotty face, worries about weight, not to mention exams and extra pressure at school. Coping with these changes is hard, and it is easy to give in to the temptation to escape it all with an evening in front of the TV. Yet it seems that the solution to all these problems is to do just the opposite. Get active and get some exercise. In fact, research has shown that exercise has huge benefits for teens. The most obvious benefit of exercise is improving your physical health and your appearance. Whatever you are worried about concerning your appearance, exercise can help. Doing regular exercise will burn fat and build muscle so that you can keep a healthy weight. Exercise can improve your skin too, but even more importantly, you will lower your risk of illnesses like diabetes and heart disease. But an equally amazing benefit of exercise is the effect it has on your mood. Exercising is a great way to fight stress and relax. When you exercise, your body releases chemicals called endorphins, which make you feel calm and happy. This helps you be positive and makes all your problems seem smaller. Finally, exercise can help with your schoolwork too. Another chemical the body releases during exercise is called epinephrine. This improves your concentration levels, which is perfect when you need to study. Regular exercise can even create new brain cells that improve your memory. And a workout can boost your creative powers for up to 2 hours afterwards. So, how much exercise is enough to get these benefits? Well, the NHS, Britain's health service, advises teens to get around an hour of exercise each day. What kind of exercise you do, though, is totally up to you. If you're not keen on the gym or are hopeless at sports, you can do a martial art or start dance lessons, or just put on your walking shoes and go for a long walk. The important thing is to choose something that you enjoy so you keep doing it and don't give up. Then you can put aside all of these annoying teen problems.